Hey guys, this is a review of the new Ovi Maps 3D. So let's start by going to maps.ovi.com. On here, this is just a standard view. You've got still the satellite terrain view. Now you've got a new 3D button here, so let's just go on to that. You will need to install the new add-on. I'm actually using a Firefox 4.0 at the moment, but it should work with the older browsers and Internet Explorer and a few others. Oops. That again. And on here, it'll come up with a little notice to say you accept the terms of use and install. If I want to allow that, it will just download the new add-on. Okay. Sometimes it takes a moment for this bit to load up. Just click install now. Again, it'll take a few moments. It might seem like it's doing nothing, but it should just do it itself once it's finished. And you will need to restart the browser, so let's just restart that now. Okay, here we go. Here's the new Ovi Maps 3D. It is still in beta, so there may be some bugs. It might be a bit sluggish. My graphics card is actually playing up a bit, so it'll be a bit more sluggish on this computer at the moment. But let's zoom in. We'll go into the UK first. And we'll go to London, which is where it's available. Here, so what we'll actually do, we'll go to Buckingham Palace, which is right around here. So I'm just using the scroll wheel to zoom in and out, so it's quite intuitive to use. And here you've got the standard satellite view as you'd normally expect. Use the left mouse button to pan around, and what you can also do now is use the right button, and if you move up, it will move you to a lower angle, so you're actually viewing 3D. And do the opposite to go back to top view, satellite view. If you go left and right, you can actually pan around. It will do a sort of flick, so if I let go there, it's flicked it across. And again, you can still zoom in and out. That's about the most it goes, but you can see the detail. This is all rendered. This isn't an actual image. It's computer generated by I'm not too sure who it is. It's the Navteq team that have done it, but I'm not sure if they've got someone else to do it for them. These little blue icons you can see is actually the street level view, similar to Nokia, to Google Street View. So if I just click on one of them now, it will take you to this view, so you can pan around. It will clean up the image a bit. You can see the little loading symbol in the top corner, and it'll just clean up the image a little bit by bit. And again, you can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out of the image, and use your normal mouse button to pan around. Like I said, my graphics card playing up a bit, so it takes a second sometimes, but you can pan around quite well. Zoom out. You can see the arrows on the floor, so you can move along where the van's driven to capture all these images. And to come out of street view, you just need to either click on here or the man's head, and it'll go back onto the standard view again, just using the left and right keys to pan around and to rotate the image, so you can sort of get a real good feel. They've even given some sort of detail inside the Parliament building, the Buckingham Palace, sorry. You can tell how it is a generated image. The bottom of the tree is just a solid block. They've not gone into detail in showing what that is. To be honest, I don't think they really need to, because you can always go to the street view and see how it really is there. And you can also press this button, which will take you back to this view. And at the bottom here you've got a few things, so you can actually go to view all the different cities, also a couple of the main attractions where you're looking at the moment. So I can go over to Big Ben. It will do this quite nice animation, so it'll take you to where you want to go. Again, I can go to the street and view it from there, so these are real images of what you're looking at. If I come out of it again and do the same for the London Eye, you can see a lot of details here. If I go over to the street here, where you should be able to see the London Eye for real here, so there it is. And you've got, you can go around again, it'll take you around to the different places, take you to Tower Bridge. More of the location, just click on the up icon here and it will show you a few, 6 in total, different places where you can go to, a few countries around the world. Hopefully they continue to expand what's available. And if you want to, say for example, go to the Empire State Building in New York, so there it is. Because I've been here before, it's rendered quite quickly. I don't believe there is a street view in New York. I'm not sure if it's available in some of the other countries, in states in the US, but it doesn't seem to be available here. But just so you can get an idea of the difference, if you notice here, it's still putting together the image bit by bit. It will piece it together. There's a lot of information obviously here, so if you've got a very slow internet connection, it may take a little while for it to load everything up, but bit by bit it will show you the 3D view. And you've got even inside Central Park. Zoom out, and then to go back to 2D view, you can just click on this and you'll go back to the standard Ovi Maps.